How to ensure your financial independence after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most empowering and sometimes intimidating aspects of life after divorce is regaining full financial independence. Whether you've been sharing finances for years or are now living on a single income, it's important to take control of your money and your future. Let's talk about how to ensure you stay financially independent after divorce. Start by setting up your own financial accounts. That means opening checking and savings accounts in your name only, closing joint accounts, and updating automatic payments and deposits. This gives you a clean break and full control over your cash flow. Next, build a monthly budget that reflects your new reality. Include income, rent or mortgage, insurance, child or spousal support, groceries, and discretionary spending. Knowing exactly what's coming in and going out helps you stay ahead and make smart financial decisions. We worked with a client who had never handled the household finances before her divorce. With some basic coaching and a few tools, she gained confidence, built a budget, and even started saving for her own emergency fund within the first few months. At Divorce 661, we help clients go beyond the paperwork. We provide post-divorce financial checklists and connect you with resources to help you budget, track expenses, and plan for the future, all without feeling overwhelmed. Don't forget to rebuild your credit if needed. Pay bills on time, keep debt low, and check your credit report for any errors. A healthy credit score is key for renting a home, qualifying for a loan, or making big purchases down the road. If you're newly divorced and want help making sure you're set up for financial independence, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you take control, make smart moves, and start this new chapter with clarity and confidence.